Hello everybody, this is Ahmed with Unlimited Prepaid Distribution, a Verizon Prepaid and Simple Mobile Master Agent. Today I want to talk to you about how much money you will be making selling Verizon Prepaid and Simple Mobile and giving away free phones. Yes, Verizon Prepaid and Simple Mobile enable you to give away free phones, no cost on the customer, no cost on you. Verizon will pay for the phone and you just charge the first month and enjoy the first commission of the first month. You will be making up to 400%, which is mean $200 commission on the $50 plan. Can you believe that? Yes, $200, 400% in your pocket. You will be able to offer 4 lines for $100 and offer 4 free phones with the 4 lines. And it's free on the customer, free for you, and you make the money of the commission. Offer long distance. Simple Mobile will give you long distance up to 200 destinations plus roaming to 140 destinations at no extra cost. Simple Mobile is killing it for the customers, giving huge value. There is another offer, Verizon Prepaid, BYOD. Customers bring their phones, activate their line, they pay for 2 months, you get them the 3rd month for free. So pay 2 months on the same line and you get the 3rd month for free. Can you believe that? And you make tons of commission on that. Offer free iPhones. You will be able to offer free iPhones on Verizon and discounted iPhones as well. Many selections for you and your customers to pick from and enjoy the network. Make up to 18% on airtime margin. 8% in the store, so when someone come and pay their bill, the $50, you make $4 right there. The end of the month, we tell you thank you for bringing us a new customer. They cut you a check for $5. How many activations you did and how many payments you took, they give you $5 an additional for every customer. Can you imagine if you have 500 to 1,000 customers coming and paying their bill? That's a huge residual income for you. Even when you're closed, you're still making money. Add data plans. Verizon realized that the world has changed. It's no longer phone calls. There is data plans. There is hotspots, watches, and tablets. Can you imagine unlimited tablet plan for only $10 cost the customer on 5G network? Use your data plan, use your tablet on the beach, use your tablet in the coffee shop, in the car, driving the trip with the kids sitting in the back seat, give them the tablet, enjoy the peace that you guys get. All these things, Verizon Prepaid and Simple Mobile helping you. Repair shops, cell phone shops, add prepaid immediately to your store and start earning money and stop the pain and the suffering. You will be making tons of money. You will enjoy Verizon Prepaid and Simple Mobile, I guarantee it. Click the link now, apply, and we will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate your time. Take care.